श्रीमती सुप्रिया सुले.
Thank you, sir, very much. Before I start my speech, I'll make a small point and compliment Tejasvi Suryaji for his very eloquent speech and fiery speech. But I would like to make a small, with full humility, make a small suggestion to him. Maybe he's not aware, or maybe he's aware and it missed out. ऐसे भी हो सकता है, sir. He said that this public examinations amendment bill has been brought by them to make a claim, change. This is not a bill that the government has brought, sir. It's an amendment. It's not a bill. The bill first came in 2016, then it came in 24. This is an amendment coming in 26. So this claim, just let's put the record straight. Yeah, I appreciate. So the thing is that this bill, after everything that I've heard, sir, is full of a lot of internal contradictions, external inconsistency, because of which there's going to be a national confusion in this policy and institutional chaos. This is something that's alarming me in this bill. The reason being, sir, there are three technical points. Unfortunately, the education minister, who I've seen with so much energy after a long time, I mean, the way he was battling a cabinet minister of India, demanding to a speaker कि मेरे speaker को 5 मिनट दे दो. I've been in parliament for 20 years. ऐसा सीन तो मैंने कभी नहीं देखा. राजनाथ सिंह जी, आप तो बहुत सालों से हम सबके बड़े वरिष्ठ नेता है. कैबिनेट मिनिस्टर का ऐसा बर्ताव तो मैंने कभी नहीं देखा स्पीकर से लड़ते हुए कि मेरे स्पीकर को 5 मिनट दे दीजिए. You are an education minister of India. If he is the education minister of India, he has to have the dignity to show what he is, to lead by education. This is not some comedy of BJP Karyakarta working. He is education minister of India, sir. And we are very proud about education. The equality that child was talking about, that's the equality education being. It's a very serious topic. This is not some Karnataka assembly where hasi mazak is going on. This is a question of children's life. 21 children have killed themselves and they are talking about this. आप एजुकेशन को हल्के में लेंगे? सर, मैं यहाँ टीका करने नहीं आई थी. मुझे लगा इतनी अच्छी डिबेट होगी, हम कुछ 4 अच्छी चीजें बोलेंगे, वहां से कुछ अच्छा आएगा और देश को एक मैसेज जाएगा कि इस पूरे मामले में हमसे एक आवाज में, जैसे पहलगाम के अटैक पर ऑपरेशन सिंदूर में हम सब लड़े थे, मेरी अपेक्षा थी कि शिक्षा के बारे में ये इनका बर्ताव होगा. बट ये उम्मीद क्या करेंगे? एजुकेशन मिनिस्टर ऐसा बिहेव कर रहा है पार्लियामेंट में. और ये जो नया जेनजी का लिंगो यूज कर रहे हैं ना, मैं भी उनको बताना चाहती हूँ सर, इन्होंने शायद इंस्टाग्राम नहीं देखा. सब बीजेपी के लोगों ने देखा भी होगा तो बोलेंगे नहीं पता है, सबके बच्चे हमारे साइड पे, उनके साइड पे तो किसी के बच्चे नहीं है. इनकी अगली जनरेशन में इनके साथ नहीं, हमारे साथ भी नहीं है. शायद हम जो डिलुलू के बारे में बोले ना, आप भी उस डिलुलू में ना रहना कि वो आपके साथ है. आपकी जनरेशन किसके साथ है ये 29 में पता चलेगा, तब देखा जाएगा. बट लेट्स नोबडी बी इन दिस Gen Z and we are not fighting. Why are we getting into the lingo of the Gen Z? That's not what we are. ये कोई ऑक्सफोर्ड डिक्शनरी का सवाल के लिए चर्चा नहीं कि आप कितने शब्द जानते हैं और मैं कितने शब्द जानती हूँ. We are here for a very serious issue. People on Jantar Mandar, sir, I was sitting in the Lok Sabha canteen, house was not functional. You also missed it. We've all heard the loud sounds outside. किसकी आवाज थी? वो टेयर गैस की आवाज थी. पता नहीं पिलेट्स चल रहे थे सर. हम डरे नहीं क्योंकि हम इस सिक्योर वातावरण में बैठे. बस उस माँ के बारे में आप सोचिए जिसका बच्चा उस जंतर मंतर थे, उस माँ पे क्या गुजर रही होती. वी आर सिटिंग इन दिस वेरी VIP एरिया विद सो मेनी पुलिस. कोई दरवाजा पार्लियामेंट का बंद कर रहा है, कोई इतने सारे पुलिस है. हम तो सिक्योर है ना. आपके बच्चे चिंता में है ना मेरे बच्चे चिंता है. बस उस माँ बाप का सोचिए जिनके बच्चों का करियर है. सर, मैं भी एक माँ हूँ. जब रिजल्ट आता है ना, एक दिन पहले नींद नहीं आती. अभी मेरे तो बच्चे बड़े हो गए, तो अभी CBSE चल रहा है, सोचते पढ़ते हैं. आप सोचिए जिसके बच्चे का एडमिशन जो KG के लिए प्रॉब्लम आता है, उसकी माँ पे, फैमिली पे क्या गुजरती. उनके पास कुछ होता नहीं है सर. एक रोटी खाते हैं, शायद आधी खाटी होती है, इसलिए वो पैसा भर भर के पेट की भूख काट काट के बच्चों को पढ़ाते कि जो मेरा हुआ मेरे बच्चों का ना हो. What is a degree? It is your recognition. No caste, nothing can stop you. Once you have a good degree on your forehead, your life is made. What was Bhimrao, Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar? How did he get recognition? It's purely on merit and his education. This is what I was expecting from this government, and I'm hugely disappointed as a parliamentarian, as a parent, because I expected more from them. I really did, and I'm saying this with pain. Think of all. I'll tell you the measures this government has taken. I'll tell you 3 points which I'd really like the Honorable Minister, who was, I don't know what had happened to him today. He's actually quite a serious man. 3 things that he has done. In 2016, 2016 में, इसी सरकार की एक report है, sir. In that, what is the government said when the first bill was introduced? That we have the report of the standing committee. We are working on it. Bill आ गया, उसके बाद standing report ही working करेंगे. And we will take all of you into confidence and move in this direction forward. What happened? This is 2016. Then comes 2024. Honorable Nadda ji's reply. Honorable Nadda ji ने कहा एक reply में कि the Supreme Court at that point had intervened, but the intention of the government to bring NEET. It's not the Supreme Court that has brought NEET. It is the government has brought NEET. I'm not saying that. This is Nadda ji replying. The paper is right here. But what is in the bill? That is very interesting, sir. The bill, point number 6, says in the statement and the objectives of the bill, it says, in the view of the judgment of the Honorable Supreme Court, NEET became mandatory for all undergraduate and postgraduate admissions with immediate effect. However, some state governments, blah. So is it Supreme Court done it, or has this government done it? Can they kindly clarify? And both these documents are parliament documents, not my creations. One is a reply and one is a bill. So can this government get out of this jingoism and get serious and tell us why really this bill has come up? Third, what part in 2024? Excellent drafting of the bill. Excellent. Even if I'm in opposition, I'll say that. Because this is not about tutu mein. ये बच्चों के बारे में क्या तुतु मैं करेंगे यहाँ? वो पॉलिटिकल होगा, वो लड़ रहेंगे रास्ते पे. यहाँ इसलिए नहीं आते हम सिर्फ लड़ने के लिए. What is this bill done? 2024, unfair means and objective. Every objective has been achieved. बस ये implement होता 24 में, तो 26 में जंतर मंतर का दिन नहीं देखने पड़ते हम सबको. Why is the government not followed this? What are they talking about? And what is in this written? This is also interesting, sir. This is again 2025 reply in the government. 21st June 2024, the bill has become an act. 22nd June, a committee has formed which is doing recommendations. Have you heard of such a thing, sir? On 21st, I repeat, I reiterate what I say. 21st June 2024, a bill has come, the act is made. And 22nd, they have started a committee of recommendations. Iska mazak udaya ja raha hai. Then didn't you take the committee recommendations before? Or why didn't you have a committee? Then what was the rush of the bill? What is the logic? Can somebody tell me? Now, this is the approach of this government, even today. I mean, I have a lot of regard for Honorable Jitendra Singh ji. He's a learned man. But I wish all the BJP people spoke with some empathy, some compassion, some humility, and some sensitivity when it's about children. We have lost how many children, sir? There's this girl, my friend Dayanidhi Maran spoke about Anita. There's a girl from Maharashtra, Priyanka ji spoke about just yesterday, Anita Sangle. She killed herself, unfortunately. Now, can you tell me, why has this happened? Why is this divide? Why is DMK against the NEET? I asked them, why? What is the problem? Has government ever consulted them? Because it's the difference between the haves and the have-nots. The coaching classes in this country. Who is regulating the coaching classes in this country? Can, sir, the Honorable Minister reply to this question? It's a huge business. I think that Shrikant Shinde said it. That Shrikant Shinde said, or Krishna said, that they are going for IPOs and all that. Coaching class is going for IPOs. How many lakhs and lakhs of rupees do people give? Then what will this girl, this Anita, and this girl from Maharashtra yesterday, this Sagre girl, Ankita, they can't afford coaching classes, sir. What is this government talking about? And this is a collapse of trust. This is what they are not understanding. NEET is not there. And, you know, I come from the state of Mahatma Jyotiba Phule and Savitribai Phule. We have great pride in gender equality and education. Now, I would like to quote one of their allies. They have seemed to have forgotten what people have said. Sir, with your permission, I'd like to read it in Marathi. What he has said, which nobody from that side has said. I wish somebody had said it from that side. just on human angles. I think that Tejasvi Surya finally said something nice, which I welcome from him, but I wish that came from the minister. What is this gentleman saying? Well, my ex-colleague, Mr. Chhagan Bhujbal, what is he saying? Dharmendra, I'll say it in Marathi, sir, read it verbatim. धर्मेंद्र प्रधान यांनी 15 दिवसापूर्वी राजीनामा दिला असता तर आंदोलनाचा उद्रेक झाला नसता. मीन्स 15 दिन पहले अगर इन्होंने इस्तीफा दिया होता तो ये उद्रेक नहीं होता. ये मैं नहीं सिर्फ कह रही हूँ, हम तो कह ही रहे, लेकिन आपके एलाय भी कह रहे, आप सुन नहीं रहे. पोलिसांचा लाठीचार्ज, त्यानंतर देशात परिस्थिती संतापाची लाट, या सर्व गोष्टी संपूर्ण जगाने पाहिलेल्या आहेत. हे आंदोलनात दिल्लीत जंतर मंतर पुरत नाही तर नाशिक, महाराष्ट्र आणि पूर्ण देशात इशारा आहे. ही इज योर एलाय टेलिंग यू की ये इशारा है. दिस इज मिस्टर छगन भुजबल स्टेटमेंट. आई होप गवर्नमेंट इज लिसनिंग. चलो उन एलाय का मत सुनो, मुरली मनोहर जोशी सर का भी तो सुनिए. What has he said? A painful to see young girls being mishandled. This is such a senior leader of this country. He was an education minister of India. Why has he not said it? Sir, this is not about UPA versus NDA. This is about system versus aspirations. There is a system we unitedly want to change for the aspirations of these children. Why aren't we doing this? And committee after committee, Kothari Ayog, Yashpal Samiti, Rashtriya Nyan Ayog, this Radhakrishna Ayog, what has this government done for it? मैं मानती हूँ हमने किया ना, मैं कहाँ कह रही हूँ, आपका तो स्पीकर बोला है सब गलती हमारी है, पर उस गलती में मैं तो ठीक से पढ़ गई. और मैं जब पढ़ रही थी तब अंधेरा नहीं था, बिजली थी, गाड़ी थी, ट्रेन थी, सबसे. मैं तो बुलेट कार्ड से नहीं जाती थी सर, रास्ते भी थे. शायद आपने चौड़े किए होंगे, उसमें मेरे किसान का बेचारे का जो गया था वो भी आप लेके गए, उसका पूरा जमीन. वो तो अलग बात है, उस पर नहीं बोलूंगी आज. But what are the 3 points that your own government secretaries are saying, sir? The NTA, this is a co-founder of Radhakrishna Commission member saying, the NTA does not have too many psychometric or deep experts to set question papers. The educational testing service which conducts GRE and TOEFL has 600 researchers. What is Mr. Subramaniam, former Secretary, Department of Education, saying? The NTA has meant to be very lean organization, but in the pen and paper exam, you need 10,000 of them to run. Last 2 points, sir, only. And this is the hardest one to hit, sir. The Secretary demanding of Higher Education, I quote him, each time one loophole is fixed, another appears. That is why institutions need people with memory, expertise, and ability to learn from the failure. Those trying to rig the system are experienced too. Are you trying to tell me that you can't fix a system? There are countries, sir, there's a law exam in this country which is taken countrywide. Aaj tak public service, sir, aapka exam, aap khud police rahe. How come government exams don't get then fixed? And you're trying to tell me that the crooks are better than the government system in this country? Kya baat kar rahe? This is an education secretary talking. Sir, and after Jantar Mantar, have you all not seen the pain of the mothers, the children? I request the government, ek inquiry lagaiye. Why don't you make an SIT and find out who really gave the orders and what went wrong that day? Sir, let there be an inquiry and let it be transparent, fair. I'm not saying who did it, who gave the order. ये नहीं मैं कह रही हूँ. ये फिर इस देश में ना हो, इसलिए we have to do it. Those sites were horrific, sir. No India, and it's not just about India. It as a parent I'm talking. Every child that I know wanted to come to Delhi and support Jantar Mantar. Children were sleeping on the streets. और कोई यहाँ से कह रहा है कि foreign हाथ है. Children are making memes, sir. ये समोसा चाइना के पैसे से आया है. ये चाय पाकिस्तान के पैसे से आया. वो सब नहीं चलने वाला. Those days are over, sir. Like Tejasvi Surya said, these kids are very, very smart. There's a meme that is also going on, sir. I have so many memes. There's one beautiful girl from Maharashtra called Ahire. Ahir, her name is. She was standing in front of the police alone. Look at the courage of that girl. She was standing alone in front of the bus to stop the bus. It's an iconic photograph, sir. It makes you feel so proud that जिस लड़की को हमने पढ़ाया ना, उसको ना बोलने की ताकत जो देनी चाहिए ना, उस लड़की में है.
अब पुलिस उसको बुला रही है.
और पुलिस उसको बोल रही है नहीं छोड़ दो. Another small incident I'll tell you what the police has done, which has disturbed me as a parent. 50 grams. The children were all arrested and were taken to the police station. And the policeman is telling the children, तुम ज्यादा मत बोलना, अगर ज्यादा बोलोगे तो 50 ग्राम पाउडर डाल दूंगा और तुम्हारा लाइफ बर्बाद हो जाएगा. What is this, sir? Should we not, as there are parents on that side, these are parents, किसी के बच्चे के साथ ये हो सकता है, सिर्फ मेरे बच्चे नहीं, आप हमारे सबके घर में बच्चे हैं. So we really need to put our minds to it, sir, and find out that how can we fix this issue. It's not about UPA versus NDA, I repeat, sir. It is system versus aspiration. So I request this government to take this matter seriously. Two demands I have asked on behalf of our party. If you really want to see this system, form a JPC. Let's all put our minds together, call every stakeholder and come up with a bill which is leak-proof completely. That's one suggestion. Let them call a all-party meeting. Sabka sujhav. We are on the same side as you. Why are you looking at us as enemies when it comes to education? Just because in a democratic system, we are not your enemies. We are friends. We are on the same side in the larger interest. And the second is to ask for a detailed inquiry about what happened all over India, from Kashmir to Kanyakumari, wherever every child is hit. We want answers for it. And I hope Rajnath Singh ji is one of the tallest leaders in Indian politics today. I'm blessed that he was here. With folded hands, I request him, Rajnath ji, please kuch kariye.
Thank you, ma'am.